Hi guys! This is Mommy Kay Figuracion, and for today's video, I'll be sharing my beef stir-fry recipe na paborito ng family ko, most especially my children. This is a quick and simple recipe that you can easily recreate in your own homes. So, join me today! Tara, magluto tayo! Here are our ingredients. We have here beef, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So these are the ingredients for our marinade. Now let's move on to the others. We have here 4 stalks of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 pieces of onion that's thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, sliced ginger, 2 tablespoons of Panda brand oyster sauce. And of course, we have pepper. I know excited kayo sa recipe natin today, so let's start! So unang gagawin natin, imamarinate natin yung beef. Maglalagay tayo ng 2 tablespoons of water. And then, i-add natin itong ating cornstarch. Simutin nyo yung mga natitira-tira dito sa ating lalagyan. Baking soda. And pepper. So, yung pepper, tansya-tansya lang. And ini-mix natin siya. So, malinis naman yung kamay ko. Mix natin. Pag na-mix mo na siya mabuti, i-add na natin ang ating cooking oil. So, magtataka kayo ba't kailangan ng cooking oil. Naglalagay tayo ng cooking oil para pag finry natin siya, hindi siya magdidikit-dikit. Mix mo mabuti para mas masarap yung marinade natin. I-marinate natin siya for 20 minutes. And then next, we're gonna make our sauce. So, we have here half cup of water and we're gonna add oyster sauce. So, in case you're wondering kung anong brand ng oyster sauce yung ginagamit ko, I use this one. This is the Lee Kum Kee Panda brand oyster sauce. This is the #1 oyster sauce brand in the world. Yung mga sikat na chefs and even yung mga Michelin-starred chefs in the world, ito yung gamit nila. Actually, yung husband ko, very particular with this one. Gustong-gusto niya na yung mga dishes namin here at home, nilalagyan ng Panda brand oyster sauce. Kasi nga naman, nagle-level up talaga yung sarap ng mga dishes with this. So, i-mix na natin. And lagyan natin ng soy sauce. So, 2 tablespoons to ng light soy sauce. So, if you're using yung ordinary soy sauce, 1 tablespoon na lang yung ilagay nyo kasi medyo mas maalat yun. Ito, mas light yung lasa niya. Now, let's start cooking. Ito, yung beef muna yung una nating lulutuin. So, lulutuin natin yung beef for less than 1 minute. We do this para maging tender yung beef. Okay na to kung makikita nyo, medyo parang nagba-brown-brown na siya. Iluluto pa naman natin to ulit later. So, isi-set aside muna natin. So, in the same frying pan, iluluto natin yung ginger. Next, let's add spring onions. So, mga around 4 to 5 pieces lang muna ng spring onions. Ayan. And itong ating onion. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami niya kasi mahilig kami sa onion. We're gonna fry it until it's transparent. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating beef. Next, yung natirang mga spring onions, lalagay natin siya. Pwede mo siyang dagdagan ng pepper kung gusto mo. Since mahilig kami sa medyo may anghang ng konti, lagyan natin. Now, let's add our sesame oil. Ang bango. Pakuluin lang natin siya ng konti. And then, after that, okay na siya. Ayan na, luto na siya. So, tikman natin. Malinamnam, ang sarap niya. So, okay na tayo dito. Here's my version of beef stir-fry. Napakasarap and napakabango. Sigurado ako matutuwa na naman yung mga kids ko, most especially my husband. You too can recreate this dish in your own homes. Don't forget to tag me pag niluto nyo din to and let me know if nagustuhan nyo. So, that's it for our video today. Thank you so much for joining me and see you on my next cooking video. Bye!